A blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger which records transactions across many computers. The information on the blockchain is public and can be read by anyone. It is distributed to all users of the network so that it cannot be hacked or tampered with. A blockchain contains information about every transaction that has ever happened in the network. Blockchain technology was created to solve two problems. 1. How do you stop someone from spending their money more than once? 2. How do you make sure that nobody spends money without permission? The answer to these two problems is cryptography, which uses math and code to encrypt data so it can only be read by certain people with the right keys. Blockchain technology uses this cryptographic process at its core, making it one of the most secure ways for